Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is another three-part video on how to do these cutesy Valentine's inspired look. These are inspired by the Douyin makeup. So this is what this video is about. This is the first look. It's purple tones and I really love how it turned out. So let's get into the tutorial and I'll see you towards the end so I can explain a few things. Okay, so let me explain a few things, especially this shimmer part that I added, the purple glitter. It was a little tricky, especially because I made it myself and this is how I did it. So first of all, you're gonna probably need like something flat. I got this specifically to mix my powders and foundation and all that stuff. But when I didn't have this, I would just do it on the mirror or just any flat surface, clean flat surface. With this, I scraped off from the Y2K baby palette. I got this shimmer right here. I got a little bit from Taro Milk by Euphoric Sun, this boba one. And I mixed it together with a few drops of setting spray. I just put it here because it was like a huge bottle and a few drops of setting spray, and then I mixed it together so it can be a little bit pasty. And as you saw, I used this like small angled brush which allowed precision, and that's how I got this effect. I also ended up putting it in my eyebrows. I just feel like it's super cute and fun because you can't really tell until the light hits you, and it's really cute. So this is how it turned out. I will say that I love this palette, but the glitter for this, especially just all these press-on glitters, just this one, these two, okay, yeah, those three, they're very chunky. Like, it's hard to put it on your face or eyelids because I've used my brushes, I've used my fingers, and it's just so hard to keep it there. So I feel like mixing it in with that setting spray and making it a bit pastier really helps adhere it to your face. So, pro tip. So that's what I did for the eyes. Another important thing that I feel like brings all of this together that's not really noticeable, but it really helps, is using your white eyeshadows. This one. Any white eyeshadow. I use it here on the edge. As you can see, it's a little highlighted under the eyebrow. So I feel like that really adds more definition to this. I also put it in my nose here at the T-zone. so it could be illuminated and not shiny with highlighter. And under the waterline, as I think I showed you. So yeah, for lipstick, it's this Milani Rose Femme number 42. I didn't want to overpower anything here, but it does add like this rosy tone that just, you know, brings it all together, and it's not overpowering this whole look. Also, if you saw my last video, you know, but I hate wearing eyelashes. So I was gonna wear these for this look. They're called Code Orange by Glamlight Michaela Glamlight. But when I tried to kind of shape them on, it looked really big and full that I felt it just covered all of what I did. So I ended up just going with my mascara, the Milani Anti-Gravity. It's just really nice, the effect that it gives, the natural eyelash. I know I'm a little bit lucky for having long eyelashes that can curl up with mascara. I don't use any curler, so yeah. So if you do use eyelashes, try using normal ones like this, or little clustered ones to put on the outer corner of your eye, and I feel like that would look super cute. So yeah, I really like how this look turned out. It's not simple Douyin because there's like different types of Douyin, and I feel like this is like on the heavier side, but it's fine. I always tend to go heavy with my eye makeup, and I'm not mad about it. I love having colorful eyelids. I mean, that's why there's colorful pigmentations. So yeah, let's go to the next part. I think I'm gonna do a red or a pink because I wanted to focus on those 3 colors for this video. So purple is the first one. Okay, that's it. I bought these pretty purple flowers and it's matching me. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Hello everyone, this is part 2. This is the look we will be doing. It's a red ombre. We got that slight pink effect because of the white eyeshadow that I like blended it out, which is pretty cute. If you want it to be more intense red, just, you know, focus on putting more red there. But I feel like it's pretty cute. I liked adding this line underneath. It just adds more, yeah, more effect to the look. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so this is it. This is the final look. I skipped the whole foundation and contour part because I feel like that's something basic. I could do a basic makeup look if you're interested in that. But for right now, I feel like the main focus is learning how to do these creative eyeshadow looks. So yeah, I really like how it looks. It's very different from my inspiration photo. I don't know why, I just can't do simple looks. I really am trying, but I can't. So I really liked how the ombre effect looks with this. I only used the red and the white eyeshadow. It can be any red and white eyeshadow. I used this Strawberry Milk from Euphoric Sun, and the Matte Essentials from Morphe. And I used this combo of hydrating tint, my Fit Me concealer, and my powder, which gives me that matte finish look, which is what I like for all of my looks. For the eyelashes, I did something that I don't know how I feel about it, but I don't want to go back and change it. I used this brown mascara by by Apple. I think this is a Mexican brand. I know that they sell them over there a lot, the little wand. I like the colors because I also have a blue one and they're vibrant, but for some reason it really wasn't coming through. So I only put one layer of this black mascara just to add some layer at the bottom, but the top remained brown. So yeah, I hope you like this look. I've been wanting to use this wig for a while. It's been there because I've been wanting to do a Shoto cosplay, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So I was like, might as well use it. And then I didn't use it for Christmas either. It's fine. So yeah, I think this wig I just need to cut the bangs a little bit more, but I don't want to because it literally covers all my forehead. So I think that's fine. Maybe a little bit, but I feel like you could still see my eyebrows. We'll see. The lipstick that I'm using, it's number 14 from these little pills. I got it for Christmas and it was like this bag with a bunch of little pills in different colors. So I couldn't tell you where it's from, but it's just a red lipstick. I feel like it's pretty nice, but I might take it off because I feel like it's a lot going on. So I'll just probably use my neutral rosy color, which is this Milani lipstick, number 42 Femme. Yeah, okay. I'll see you in the next part. This is part 3 of this 3-part series of Douyin inspired Valentine's looks. This time I went with like a pink shade and white, kind of similar to the last one, but the last one was red-ish tones. And this is just like a simple pink. Yeah. Let's get into it and I'll see you at the end. Last time I used this wig was for a very quick cosplay of Coraline, and I didn't even take any pictures that I could show you, but it was like a quick one. So yeah, it's a little messy, but it's fine. So that was the tutorial for this quick pink Douyin look. I really like how this one turned out. I was going to put on eyelashes, but then my hands started shaking and then I said no. So I just ended up using the Milani mascara that I always use. It's this one. It's the anti-gravity one. And I think it does a trick of adding some flair to the look. So yeah, what else? I love adding glitter. I think glitter on eyebrows is now my favorite thing to do. It just, you don't expect it there. And when I'm editing pictures, it looks super cute because it's like, ah, glitter. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this one because this was the inspo, but I don't know why I can't just stick to doing what I got for inspo. I just end up going my own way, and I think that's fine because, you know, it creates a unique look. So I really like this. I put on a blue wig so it can help contrast with the pink, because the last look I put on a red and white wig, and it took me so long to edit the pictures because it was just very unbalanced. Too much red, and if I dimmed the red, it was just a lot. I think that's it for this video. I already showed you how I did my face with just skin tint, concealer, and then contouring. I didn't contour much on this one. I just added that pink blush that has a little shimmer to it, and that's it. For my lips, I just used this Morphe Foxy. I think I used it in the previous look too. It goes a long way. Like, the color itself, it's really dark, and if I were to put it fully on, it's really dark. So this is just a few little pats on the lips, and it adds like this, you know, just pretty natural skin tint to this, and I really like how it looks. Yeah, if you want more flair, I suggest just adding lashes, but I'm not going to do that because my hands hurt. Okay, that's it for me in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.